Welcome to Chapter 1. What is Java? Java is a high-level language. It is designed for humans to understand, or it is more of a human language. In order for your computer to understand your program, it needs to be compiled into a machine language. Java is object-oriented, which means it focuses on objects that contain data or the attributes, and procedures or methods. Java is portable. Compiled Java files can be transported to other workstations or to other operating systems as long as there is Java installed, specifically the Java virtual machine. The Java language is dynamic because of its object-oriented paradigm and its ability to be converted in bytecodes. Bytecodes are readable machine language, which can be loaded anywhere with Java installed workstations. Java is multi-threaded, which means it has the ability to manage multiple requests simultaneously without having to execute the program multiple times. Java is a secured language because of the code features it offers and because the Java virtual machine takes care of the security when bytecodes are executed. The Java development process. The source code of your program is saved with the .java extension. When you are done with constructing your program, your .java file is compiled by the Java compiler. The Java compiler reads your program and translates it to bytecodes or the machine language of the JVM. A .class file is created containing the machine language that can be read and executed by your computer. In this example, you have a Java program entitled Hello World. This program contains a method to print out the string literal Hello World. The Java program is saved as helloworld.java. The Java file is compiled by the Java compiler that creates a new .class file. The .class file is then read by JVM so that the Hello World program can be executed in various workstations. The Java platform is a software-only platform that is executed on top of hardware-based platform. It consists of the JVM and the Java API, or the Application Programming Interface. The Java API is a collection of libraries that can be used when constructing your program. Ready-made methods and variables are comprised in the API. Here are some instructions on how to install Java and Eclipse in your workstation. You can choose other IDEs such as JCreator or NetBeans. But the best practice in learning Java is by paper, so that you would appreciate the syntax and basic concept without the help of an IDE. See you next time for our next chapter.